guys, it's Kate with WTI, and I wanted to tell you about our radio. So this is our JENSEN MPR210. We've been really pleased with this radio. So obviously this is not a car. This is designed to be used in a vehicle, but we rigged it to use in our ice hut. So of course it has all your standard features, a radio and all of that. It is Bluetooth connected, so you can play music off your phone. You can also answer calls through here, and the sound quality is actually really nice and clear. It has a little USB here so you can charge your phone, as well as the auxiliary. So let me just give you a little sample of the sound quality. So this has worked out really well for us. Of course, like I said, it belongs in a vehicle. So if you're looking for a really simple car radio, I think you'll be really pleased with this one. And that's my point of view.